Thanks for joining us for 12 News at 5. Our top story, why aren't more people getting vaccinated in the state? We're looking for answers. Good evening, I'm Joe Dana.
And I'm Tram Mai. Mark and Caribe have the night off. Let's get a look at the latest numbers as the coronavirus continues to spread across Arizona. The Department of Health says Arizona has recorded more than 510,000 cases of the virus in 2020, and more than 8,700 Arizonans have lost their lives.
Hospitals are feeling the impact. With less than 10% of hospital beds available statewide, more than half of those beds are COVID-19 patients. We'll have more on those details in just a few minutes.
But first, some breaking news. Governor Ducey has just issued a new executive order to increase access to the COVID-19 vaccine for Arizonans.
This comes as the state is failing to get people vaccinated fast enough. Counties are using their own distribution plans, which the governor says is not working. This new order directs the Department of Health to implement a statewide model. Governor Ducey did not make himself available to answer questions about why the state didn't act sooner.
Meanwhile, Arizona's top health official echoing Governor Ducey's sentiments about the state of Arizona's vaccine rollout efforts. Dr. Kara Chris, just about a half hour ago, spoke about the lack of progress in Arizona's efforts to inoculate the state. Just a fraction of the more than 300,000 vaccines have been administered over the past 2 weeks.
You know, looking across the country, we're not last. We're not in the last group. I think everyone is figuring this out as we go, and so we will continue to make improvements and identify new opportunities as we continue to move forward.
Also developing tonight, some Valley hospitals say they need the public's help. They're redirecting patients to other hospitals because they're just too overwhelmed by a crush of COVID patients and a strain in resources.